Yeah, I think the fact that we are wireless is an enormous benefit, right? Because deployment is very, very easy. You don't have to dig up the concrete in your floors and add all sorts of wires, and you don't have to wire up your rack. And the redeployment is also very economical. There are a lot of companies that they want to try out this sort of inventory arrangement, and then the next month they want to do something else. 3PL is a classic example of that, where they may get a different customer, after 6 months they may want to change the entire layout of that section of their warehouse, and being able to move the devices around and redeploy. Maybe they were doing a 1-to-1 scenario, now they want to do a 1-to-3 scenario, something like that. Very, very important to have that flexibility using our devices. They may also want to, we're going to talk about some of the other scenarios. They may want to redeploy some of our devices from a traditional pick-to-light to a put-to-light scenario, which we'll talk about next. But yeah, all of those things are much, much more economical when you've got a wireless system. And of course, wireless is not a bad thing because these batteries can last for years. Somebody came up to me at the show once and said, well, why did you put batteries in your device? Now I'm going to have to run around my warehouse and change batteries all the time. Well, that's just not true. A lot of our customers forget that they're running battery devices, that they are wireless, simply because the batteries just very rarely need to be changed. And of course, we've got the battery voltage always on the display, and you get a low battery indicator on the device, and also we're monitoring the batteries on the server, and you get emails. If the batteries start to get low, you'll get an email alert that says, the device in this location with this ID needs to be changed. So that gets all automated for you. And of course, you very rarely get those emails because the batteries very rarely go down.